Hello everyone, we're excited to introduce Yipao, your ultimate AI-driven SQL assistant. Data analysis can often feel overwhelming and uncontrollable. You spend countless hours trying to make sense of it all, only to end up more frustrated. To solve this, some people change their environment. You might head to the forest, or maybe to a coffee, or even an garden. But none of this helps, and it only consumes more of your time, spending too much time figuring out your data. So, how can we solve this? The answer is Yipao, a cutting-edge tool that lets you chat with your SQL database effortlessly. With Yipao, generate and execute SQL queries dynamically using natural language. Integrate seamlessly with leading AI platforms and vector databases. Make your data work for you, not the other way around. So let's try Yipao together. When you log in, it will ask for the URL connection to your database. With this, you can start chatting. Let's start by greeting Yipao to get some information. Here it gives the details. Okay, that's good, let's begin. Now it has connected to the database. Let's ask it what is my best-selling product. And it correctly responds with the information from my database. Let's see what SQL it generated. Nice, this is really good. How does Yipao work? Yipao uses Dialogflow throughout Vertex AI Agent Builder and connects Yipao throughout its tools with OpenAPI. There, Yipao performs a retrieval augmented generation with Gemini and sends it back to the agent to communicate his responses. All of this happens very quickly. We tested Yipao on a real point-of-sale platform to see how it performs in a real scenario. We added the chat bubble so users could chat and ask specific questions about their store. In this case, the platform is in Spanish. Yipao leverages Google services to deliver the best performance possible. Thank you very much for watching the video.